Here's a sneak peek at our breakfast sausage, and the best part is they only take 4 ingredients and they're done in under 10 minutes. For these turkey patties, it's just gonna be 4 ingredients. So we have our turkey, salt, pepper, and then herbs de Provence, or you could use Italian seasoning. They're gonna be pretty equivalent. All right, to get started, I am going to take off my rings so that the meat does not get all up in my grill. We're going to cut the package open and go ahead and just dump that meat into your bowl. And then we're going to add about a tablespoon of herbs de Provence or Italian seasoning, teaspoon of sea salt, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and just dump that in there. And then we're going to massage that into the meat so that it is evenly distributed. And then we're gonna form it into 8 patties. So they're about 2-ounce patties each. I like to just cut my turkey in half and then do quarters from there. And then you can go ahead and just kind of form them into a little ball, place them on your plate for now, and then we will transfer them all to the George Foreman. So we're gonna go ahead and place the patties on. If you can't fit all 8, that's fine, just do it in batches. But you can put them pretty close together. And then go ahead and close the lid, and we're gonna set the timer for 3 minutes so that we can flip them halfway through. And then go ahead and put your dirty plate that you had your raw turkey on in the sink or in the dishwasher, and grab yourself a new clean plate or container to put the fully cooked turkey patties in. So when your timer goes off, you're gonna go ahead and open it up, and then you can kind of flip them. I like to twist them so that you get those nice grill marks, forming that X. And then we're gonna put the timer back on for another 3 minutes. So then once your second round of 3 minutes, or total of 6 minutes, is complete, they should be done. Go ahead and transfer them to your container or plate. Be careful, they might be really hot. We personally like to let them sit for a little bit so that they're a little bit more juicy. And after you let them sit briefly, then you can cut one open and make sure that it is done. If you prefer, you could also unplug the George Foreman and still leave them with the lid on, just to cook a little bit further. But as you can see, these ones look pretty good. So you just want to make sure there's no pink left inside. So you can see that this one is done, and that was after the 6 minutes. All right, so now you are set with turkey patties or beef patties or venison or whatever kind of ground meat you used for the week. You can use them for either breakfast options, lunch, dinner, or even as a quick snack. And again, if you don't feel like you're gonna go through all of them in the week, go ahead and put some in the freezer and then pull them up next week, or even throughout the week, or stick them in the toaster oven to thaw them in a few minutes. I hope you guys enjoy. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and help us spread the word. We appreciate you guys. Have a healthy day.